You have to ask my mother more than me.
Yes, sir.
But I think cricket and, of course, cricket and movies and Bollywood and entertainment, these are the, I mean, many other sports are coming up and they should come up and it's fantastic. But somehow cricket and Bollywood has had a connection. So what is your question on that?
So how does the dynamic work? I mean, it runs...
But that is, I don't know, somehow we are connected to this because we thought ISPL is a lovely, lovely idea.
Yes.
Cricket starts in our country on, everybody's played gully cricket, at least all of us have played. But I'm sure all the cricketers in our national team have started playing like that at home.
Yes.
And tennis ball cricket is it's a really good way to learn how to play, and I think we will discover some fantastic young talent. And if tomorrow, like, we discovered a talent that went on to bowl at the Kolkata Knight Riders in the IPL, if we put a spotlight on young people, and it's very exciting to discover that. And I hope that we discover players who can go on to play more serious cricket. Because there must be so much talent in our country that is not discovered, and this is one way of putting a spotlight on it, right, ma'am? I think Mr. Khan is an amazing, astute businessman, and his interest in the IPL is an incredible thing with what he's done. And I'm sure somewhere everyone is woken up to the possibilities of investment in sports teams as a kind of result. But no, I think this is also just a good idea that came to us, and I wouldn't say it's inspired from that, but I think any cricket business idea would somewhere have to remember that also.
Can I add?
Yep. I see the connection between Kolkata and Kolkata. No, please,
Yeah.
would you?
So basically it works because his dad, he's played cricket, as we all know, and his mom's from Calcutta. I mean, what better way to, that's the best city that suits him.
There you go.
The legend, Tiger. Tigers of Kolkata, guys.
Yes, of course.
Math.
I mean, we've had 2 generations of captains of India in my family, and I've seen them play, and it's tennis ball cricket, and it's kind of gully cricket, playing, with that ball, and sometimes you put tape on it for swing. And my father would always say, if you want to learn how to catch properly, you should learn how to catch with a tennis ball, because the ball bounces out of your hand if you don't catch it properly and give with it properly. So it's a wonderful training, and it's a great background for all cricket. And I think, like you have street football for example, in one of the cities, in South America, for example, and that's what leads to such a strong national team